Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on post notification on Instagram. Watch this video till the end to exactly know how you can, and before you get into the video, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications for more future videos. Now open up your Instagram and open up the profile that you want to turn on the notifications of. After you open up the profile, on the top right hand side of the screen you'll see a bell icon. If you tap on that, you'll have a few options to turn on the notifications. Options such as post, stories, videos, reels and live. To turn on the post notification, you'll need to toggle this option on. Now every post that this account makes, you'll get a notification on your phone. You can also do the same for others like stories, videos, reels and live. If you guys found this video helpful, then subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.